Vanguard, founded by Luke Terry, is an operating laundry service that processes 20 tons of linen a week for 90 commercial clients, like St. Vincent's Private Hospital in Toowoomba. So it's a legitimate commercial business. Vanguard is a social enterprise. Social enterprise, a business that trades to fulfill a social mission, unlike a traditional business whose main goal is profit, or a charity whose main goal is social impact. A social enterprise aims to achieve both. Social mission. Vanguard's mission is to provide jobs and support for unemployed people with a lived experience of mental illness. Any surplus, the money left over after all costs are paid, similar to profit, is reinvested back into the business, improving services, or used to fund local mental health employment projects. This is a fundamental difference from a traditional business, where owners, shareholders receive the profit. Terry's journey started when he saw people struggling to find work at the Toowoomba clubhouse. He didn't just ask for donations. He created a solution by building a viable, self-sustaining business. This commercial rigor, raising $6 million to start the facility, is what makes it an enterprise, not a charity. Vanguard's success is a perfect illustration of how social enterprises create measurable value that goes far beyond a simple P&L statement. A Swinburne University study found remarkable benefits for Vanguard staff, many of whom suffer from bipolar disorder, depression, or anxiety. Reduced welfare reliance. After just 1 year, employees were much less likely to rely on government welfare. Improved health. Employees were less likely to visit the hospital, and almost 80% reported feeling better. This demonstrates that a job provides more than just an income. It provides structure, self-worth, and a sense of belonging, all of which are critical for mental health and well-being. Crucially, Vanguard doesn't just hire people, it supports them. They have staff dedicated to welfare and career development, and they actively help workers transition to other employment when ready. The Vanguard model is incredibly relevant today because it addresses 3 huge modern challenges: talent shortages and untapped labour. Businesses are always looking for reliable staff. Vanguard taps into a group often excluded, people with mental illness, and provides the supportive framework they need to become highly effective workers. This is a smart strategic approach to staffing. Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR. In the 21st century, consumers, investors, and employees demand that businesses do more than just make money. They need to show a genuine commitment to society and the environment. The social mission is baked directly into the business model, offering a powerful, authentic brand story. Resilience and adaptability. Vanguard's mission and community support helped it survive crises. When COVID-19 caused sales to drop by 80% in 2021, the strong community backing and dedication to the social mission likely contributed to its ability to remain in business and form new partnerships like Hello Good World in 2022. Social capital acts as a safety net. Ultimately, Vanguard Laundry Services proves that you don't have to choose between a profitable business and a purposeful one. By integrating a deep social mission into its operations, Vanguard has created a sustainable, growth-oriented model that generates financial and societal returns.